So we're on the delivery trail. Right now we are in Dawes Meadows, affectionately called Dawes. There, so we're the boss. I have the two packages in play. You said the place good. So we can come in and enjoy ourselves.
As you like.
As we like.
Word.
All right, there you go. By the way, we just got a call here. I said, boy, we don't link him and wonder what. Like them I said, boy, I take too long to carry a package from you.
It's just that me the business thing, so I'm not really your fan.
There you go.
I'm the bad person.
All right. So you think about the service?
Well, the service overwhelming. Really appreciate it. I swear, I think I'm one of the best service so far. Yeah, me like it.
All right there you put Ace up. So now Duran is a businessman. My business is a small business and they could have braces. So if you're interested in getting your cosmetic braces, you know, if you make it look like a quick up,
Right, we at Dream_braces.
Yeah, that Dream_braces are the supporting thing. So you can brace up your face and now say yes. Fix up your teeth and look for them at the party, look clean and fresh. You show up the ink and all of them stuff, man.
Yeah.
That's what I talk about. Right? Alright, so there you have it. On the delivery trail, we're gonna get our braces because you know we have to protect ourselves. Have a good one.